Today we are installing our Toyota number plate lights into a 100 series Land Cruiser. So these two number plate lights, as you can see, one is blown. They do have a little bit of foam tape under them. It is sticky from the factory, so it is a little bit difficult to get them off, but a very simple task nonetheless. So easiest way to do it is just push across, so get all your pressure across there. If you're not entirely sure how they click in, you can grab one of the new ones. They're made exactly the same as the original. You'll see there's two clips here. This one locates in the housing. As you push it in, that one will push back and click into place. So that's exactly how it's installed in this housing here. If you find it's too hard and nothing's happening, so if we were trying from this side and nothing's happening, jump over to this side, you'll feel a bit of spring to it. So get some pressure on it and push it across, and that will unclick out of the housing. So with this installation, there is a globe holder here, but that stays with the original housing. What we want to do is just unplug this, grab your STEDI light, and has exactly the same plug there. So that will just click straight into place. And installation, once you line it up, get those clips into place. There you go. If it doesn't go one way, just spin it 180, and that went in really easy.